The bump head knob assembly consists of a plastic knob with a captive bolt. Common reasons to replace the bump head knob are: the knob is worn so the metal bolt is exposed. The plastic knob has stripped out around the bolt so it can no longer turn the bolt when you rotate the knob. Or the bolt has rusted or seized to the spindle and you need to break the plastic off so you can put a wrench on the bolt. Replacing the bump head knob assembly is an easy repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
Replacing the bump knob is a simple repair. It's a regular thread, so I turn it counterclockwise to remove it. I'm holding the spool in place because it is spring-loaded, and then I can install the new bump knob. And that's how simple it is to install a new bump head knob assembly on your trimmer. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.